If you don't want to look back and regret that you made a mistake in life as a small YouTuber, you need to understand that every single day, thousands of small YouTubers give up. Most of them stop before even uploading 20 videos. Why? Because YouTube takes time. More time than most people think. And during that time, it's easy to feel invisible, easy to compare yourself to others, easy to believe it's just not working. But what if I told you, this part, the hard part, is normal? I've been there more than once, and I'll be honest, it never feels easy. But let me show you what's really happening behind the scenes. And then let's talk about the invisible growth phase and how to survive it. Growing a YouTube channel is like planting a tree. You water it, give it sunlight, check on it every day. But for months, sometimes even a year, it barely grows. You start to wonder, is this even working? But underground, where no one sees, something powerful is happening. The roots are growing. The foundation is forming. The tree is getting ready to grow strong. That's exactly what your channel is doing right now. You might not see the views or subs, but you're learning, you're improving, and your channel is building roots. The algorithm isn't against you. Here's something I wish someone told me earlier. YouTube doesn't hate small creators. The algorithm isn't ignoring you. It's just testing you. When you post a video, YouTube shows it to a few people. If they like it, watch it, and engage with it, YouTube shows it to more. If they don't, it stops. That's not failure. That's the algorithm collecting data. It's learning who your people are. I had a video that took 100 days to hit 999 views. Then suddenly, it took off and found its audience. I hadn't even made a video like that before, and I haven't made one like it since. But now, it's one of the most watched videos on my channel. Another one stayed quiet for 6 months. Then, boom. Overnight, it blew up and got my channel monetized. This is normal. This is how YouTube actually works. What really matters to you? YouTube doesn't care if you have 2 subscribers or 2 million. It only cares about one thing. Are people watching and enjoying your videos? Do they stay until the end? Do they leave a comment? Do they click and watch another one? That's what tells the algorithm your content is worth showing to more people. But here's the hard part. You can't see the algorithm working, so you start to doubt yourself. That's why so many people quit before video 20. They planted the seed, but never stuck around long enough to see it bloom. The truth about consistency. Let's talk about consistency. Not the kind where you post every Tuesday at 3 p.m. I'm talking about the kind where you don't give up, because here's what happens when you stay in the game. Your videos get better because you're learning. You build a small but loyal audience. You grow a library of content that helps new people find you. YouTube starts to understand exactly who your videos are for. Here's a secret. It's often your 30th, 40th, or even 50th video that finally breaks through. Not because it's wildly better than video 10, but because the first 10 helped build the road to get there. How to make it through the tough phase. So how do you survive long enough to see growth? And let me give you 4 tips that actually helped me. 1. Redefine what success means. Don't just chase views or subs. Celebrate things like better editing, good comments, or just finishing the upload. That's real progress. 2. Find other small creators like you. Comment on their videos, join communities or Discord groups, support each other. It makes a big difference when you don't feel alone. 3. Make videos with purpose. Don't just copy what's trending. Ask yourself, what am I saying that no one else is? Even in a crowded niche, your point of view matters. 4. Fall in love with the process. The creators who win are not always the most talented. They're the ones who didn't give up. They kept creating even when no one was watching. Your job isn't to go viral overnight. It's to keep showing up, keep learning, keep growing. The videos you're making today are building the roots of your future success. Even if you can't see the growth yet, it's happening. So don't stop watering your tree. Don't walk away before it blooms. Because one day when that growth finally shows, you'll be glad you kept going. And if you're a small creator watching this, drop a comment and tell me one video you're proud of. Even if it only got 10 views, let's cheer each other on. Let's celebrate the seeds we're planting together.